Hey guys, Skylar here with Wholesale Fireworks in Laramie, Wyoming, giving you some up-to-date details about our 6th annual shoot-off event for 2019. The dates are Tuesday, July 2nd through Friday, July 5th. We encourage you to bring your campers, tents, grills, and food. We allow you to shoot off anything that we sell in our 8 locations across the Front Range. If you have any questions on those locations, please visit our website at wholesalefireworksinc.com. To ensure everyone's safety, we have the local fire and sheriff's department out here, so you're able to shoot from 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. Don't forget, folks, just for coming up, we're going to give you free 6-pack of artillery shells. We love you. We appreciate you. We can't wait to see you out here and have a heck of a fort. Woo! We can't wait to see you out here.